Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to return Amazon packages in less than 2 minutes. First thing that you should do is simply go and open the Amazon application on your phone. Then I want you to go and click on your profile menu right here. Then you should go and head to your orders, click on this arrow, and after that you'll have to choose the order that you want to refund. Then it will ask you for the reason for refund. Just type any reason that you want, and it will ask you what is the payment method that you want to return your money on. And you can choose between the refund of your money to the original payment or the Amazon gift card credit. Now we need to know that some returns require no box or labels. Others need a printed label. After you confirm, Amazon will send you a QR code by email or save it in the app, print it or keep it on your phone, then bring your item and code to selected drop-off location. The associate will scan your code, and that is it. You will get a confirmation email when your refund is processed. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.